The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, I have come to set the earth on fire, and how I wish it were already blazing. There is a baptism with which I must be baptized, and how great is my anguish until it is accomplished. Do you think that I have come to establish peace on the earth? No, I tell you, but rather division. From now on, a household of 5 will be divided, 3 against 2, and 2 against 3. A father will be divided against his son, and a son against his father, a mother against her daughter, and a daughter against her mother, a mother-in-law against her daughter-in-law, and a daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Ang ating ebanghelyo sa araw na ito ay karugtong sa ebanghelyo kahapon. Sa ebanghelyo kahapon, tinukoy ang mabuting alagad, mabuting alipin. Ang mabuting alipin ay mapagkakatiwalaan, trustworthy. Ang mabuting alipin ay may katapatan sa gawain. Kahit wala yung kanyang amo, nagtatrabaho. Ang mabuting alipin, mahal ang ginagawa niya at mahal ang kanyang amo. Yan ang mabuting alipin. That is the good servants. And my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus Christ is that servant. At sa ating ebanghelyo, sinabi niya siya ay naparito upang pagliyabin ang daigdig. Napakagandang sinabi niya, I have come to set the earth on fire, and how I wish it will already blazing. Maganda po ang salin sa Tagalog. Naparito ako upang magdala ng apoy sa lupa at sana'y nagliliyab na ito. Ano itong apoy na dala ni Jesus? Ito ang kanyang pagmamahal sa kanyang misyon. Pinagkatiwalaan siya ng Ama at siya nagmahal sa Ama. At mahal niya ang pinapagawa ng Ama sa kanya. His love for the Father, His love for the mission is the fire that blazes the world in flame. He is the man on fire. Interestingly, sinabi ng ating Panginoon dito sa bandang dulo ng Ebanghelyo that He has come not to bring peace, but to give division. Wala naman siyang criteria kung ano yung dahilan ng pagkahati-hati. Let's just assume, and I'd like to assume, na yung division na yon between those who have a flaming heart like Jesus, those who love the mission of Jesus, those who love the Father, and those who obey the Father's will. Siyempre, yung isang division, yung mga hindi sumusunod, hindi sumasang-ayon sa turo ni Jesus, sa pagmamahal ni Jesus. Maganda may tanong ngayon sa araw na ito, mga kapatid. Yung puso ko rin ba ay nagliliyab sa pag-ibig ni Jesus? Sa pag-ibig sa pinapagawa ni Jesus? Sa pag-ibig sa Ama? O yung puso ko kasing lamig na ng yelo? The coldness of the eyes. It's cold because of indifference, apathy, because of wickedness, of bad desires, of evil, of sins. Alam niyo, madali lang naman sabihin, yung mga nagsisimba, nagsisilbi sa simbahan, they are on fire. Magsisimba ka araw-araw, magdadasal araw-araw, pupunta ka sa simbahan araw-araw. Pero hindi po yan guarantee na totoo at tapat ang ating pagmamahal sa Diyos. Maring external indication. Remember Jesus, in one of the Gospels, lambasted the scribes and the Pharisees. Anong sabi niya sa kanila? Sila na laging nagdadasal, nag-aayuno, nagbibigay ng alms, tumutulong minsan, o nagpapakitang tumutulong. Anong sabi ni Jesus sa kanila? Their heart is far from me. Kaya po mag-ingat tayo. Mahalaga na yung ating pagmamahal ay makita sa gawa. Siguro nakakapanood tayo ngayon sa nangyayari sa Bicol, sa mga biktima na nasalanta. Maybe our heart is flaming of mercy, compassion. Kawawa naman sila. Pero kulang. Ang tunay na nag-aapoy, yung naghahanap ng gagawin. And so my dear brothers and sisters, let us remember today this divide that Jesus created. Those who are in love with His mission and those whose hearts are cold in indifference and in sin. And I hope today we find ourselves in the divide of Christ. That flame of love that moves us to action.